Good morning, children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. I'm Renu Kanyal, your science teacher, and this is our science video tutorial. Okay? Before going to start our chapter, let me show you something over here. So, look at these. What are these? Well, these are the leaves of plants, right? And these also known as the parts of plant. Okay, can you tell me what is the main work of a leaf? Think. Yes, it makes food for the plants. And why it is green in color? Yes, because of chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, leaves are green in color. Okay? So children, our today's topic is food for the plants. We will study about food for the plants. This is our topic, food for the plants. So first of all, we'll learn more about leaf. Leaf, kitchen of the plants. Most of the plants are green. We know that. You can see these leaves also, these are green in color. But why? Why these are green in colors? They appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll in their leaves. Chlorophyll helps the plants to make their food. That is why only green plants make food. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Okay, because a small pigment found in the leaves, that's why it is turning into green in color. So all green colors make food for the plants because help of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the plants to make their food. जो क्लोरोफिल इसमें होता है वो हेल्प करता है. एंड ग्रीन प्लांट्स टेक इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ड्यूरिंग their making their food. Green plants take carbon dioxide, the air and water from the soil. From the soil they take carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Okay, in the presence of sunlight. So sunlight is main thing for making food for the plants. Green leaves change air and water into food. Then, in the presence of sunlight, these leaves make the food, green leaves change the air and water into the food. Water and air को food में convert करते हैं. So, leaves work as kitchen for the plants. It means that leaves are known as the kitchen of the plants. Okay? Now, we'll learn parts of a leaf. All leaves have similar parts. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. This flat part is known as leaf blade. The leaves have tiny tubes called veins which bring water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaf. Okay, so you can see tiny tubes like this, tiny tubes. I'm showing you another leaf. So look at here, these are the tiny tubes. Look at these tubes. ये जो आपको thin lines दिख रही हैं, ये सारी tiny tubes हैं. And this is main vein. Okay, this thick one you can see in another leaf. Look at this. Okay, tiny tubes like this, these are known as veins, right? And veins and also carry back food prepared by it to other parts of the plant. Okay, they stored food and also carry back food prepared by it to other parts of the plant. Each leaf usually has, if you see a section of leaf under a microscope, if you see a section of a leaf, you can see small pores and small sections. These are known as cells. and these cells contain chlorophyll. उन्हीं cells में chlorophyll होता है which make the leaf green, which makes the color of the leaf is green. On the underside of a leaf there are small openings. In the inside of leaf, like this is a structure of a leaf, and okay, in the inside of the leaf, like its shape, small openings, okay, small openings. These openings are known as stomata. These openings are known as stomata, and so this is generally we know that is stomata. Now come to the next functions of a leaf. Now what is the function of a leaf? Means leaf का क्या काम होता है, कैसे function करते हैं. Leaves are important parts of plant. Leaves are very important. They perform the following functions for a plant. As our mother cooks food for us, like leaves make food for the plants. So how? Leaves prepare food for green plants. Only green leaves can make their own food. The chlorophyll present in the leaves help to trap sunlight. It means that जो leaves में chlorophyll होता है वो sunlight को trap करता है. Present in the leaves helps to trap the sunlight. The stomata present in the leaf help to open and close small pores that are present on the lower side of the leaf for the exchange of gases to take place. Okay, like when a leaf make the food, they take carbon dioxide and reduce oxygen. So stomata, small openings present in the leaf's lower side, they exchange the gases. Okay, they also help to throw out water produced during making food. They also throw out the water which they carry from the root. Okay, now come to the next, photosynthesis. Photo, which I have also explained earlier, it's mean light, and synthesis means putting together. Photo, light, to putting together, एक साथ रखना. It means that photosynthesis is the process by which a plant prepare its food using water, carbon dioxide and the chlorophyll in the presence of light energy. Okay, it means that photosynthesis is a process in which plant prepare its food, and they generally use water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll, which a green pigment, known as a green pigment, in the presence of light energy. It means that sunlight. So here you can see the structure. Here the sunlight and the leaf releasing oxygen and taking CO2, carbon dioxide. So whenever a leaf prepare its food for the plants, so it needs sunlight. It means light energy. It needs sunlight, light energy, and it's release CO2. It means carbon dioxide, and it releases oxygen, O2, and it takes CO2, carbon dioxide. It's release O2, oxygen, which is which we take. It is necessary for us. This gas, oxygen, is necessary for human beings and all animals, and it takes CO2, carbon dioxide. It means that water plus carbon dioxide. Okay children, you can see this process on the board also. Here the structure of leaf. I have drawn structure of leaf, and you can see here a sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, leaves prepare food for the plants, and it reduce oxygen and it take CO2, it means carbon dioxide. Okay, so the process of photosynthesis, water plus carbon dioxide and with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight it produce sugar and oxygen which is beneficial for us. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis in which a leaf prepare food for the plants, and a green pigment, that is chlorophyll, which is very important. So if a green leaf, there is a green leaf because of chlorophyll. Okay, that's why green plants make their own food. Fine. So children, the sunlight helps the leaf to remain green. Sunlight help करते हैं leaf को green, remain green के लिए, कि उनका color green ही रहे. This is the reason why leaves turn yellow during winter. You know that most of the time in winter season you can see yellow leaves, and it's light green in color, it's purple in color, different kind of shaded leaf you can see, leaves you can see in the winter season. Why? Because of lack of sunlight, reduce of sunlight. Okay, shortage of sunlight. Some leaves appear to be of different colors because the chlorophyll that was masking different pigments other than green becomes less due to shortage of light. The chlorophyll which is present in green leaves, because of shortage of sunlight, the other color, the other pigment like yellow, orange, purple in shade, this is found in these leaves, and that's why we can see them different colors in the winter season. Okay, because in the winter season the plants get less energy from the sun, right? Now the other topic, next move on to the next topic. This is how do plants use food. Okay, how do plants use food? Plants prepare food by photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis, which we have learned, and the food produced by the plants is in the form of sugar. Plants use the sugar to perform the following functions. We know that the food produced by the plants is in the form of sugar. जो भी हमें food मिलता है, it is in the form of sugar. Plants use the sugar to perform the following functions. Now, what are the functions? The plant uses the sugar to grow and live. Now, the plants use this sugar to grow. When we see a small plant, its grow up into its branches, its fruit, its flower, and last it turn into a big plant, like its all branches, its leaves, its flower, its fruit, and inside the fruit seed also, and here below the ground its root. Okay, because of sugar it helps to plants to live and to grow. Okay, leaves prepare food for the plants and it convert into sugar. It helps to plant into grow and live, जिससे plant grow करता है और means still alive रहता है. Okay, and next the extra sugar produced is changed to starch and stored in different parts of the plant. We know, children, there are different parts of plant. Okay, there are different part of plants like fruit. This is mango and potato and tomato. These are the different parts, and different parts like leaf, and different parts like roots. Roots may we can see that carrot. Okay, this is root, and this is leaf, and this is fruit, and this is flower. This is also part of a plant. So the extra sugar produced, जो भी एक्स्ट्रा शुगर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं प्लांट्स, सम शुगर दे कैन यूज़ they use for growing, and the extra sugar stored into the different parts of the plant. So these are the different parts of the plant, like this is stem. Potato is also known as the stem, and this is also fruit. So the extra sugar is converted into starch and stored in the different parts of the fruit, like different parts of the plants like fruit, stem, root, leaf, and sometimes it is flower also. Okay, so here are the examples. And the fruit, so here the extra sugar produced is changed to starch and stored in different parts of the plant, such as in roots. You can see here root like radish, and leaves like you can see mustard leaves, spinach leaves, and fruits you can see your mango, tomato, and sometime in flowers, different kinds of flowers, mustard flower, and you can see lots of flowers. Okay, for example, potato, the fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains like rice and wheat that we eat all contain the food prepared by the plants. So basically we depends on plants for food. Okay, means animals and we human beings depends on plants or food, because we lots of things we can get from the plants are main grains, pulses, cereals, medicines. We can get lots of things by plants. So we depends on plants. Okay, so children, this is your first topic, food for plants. So in this topic we have studied about some points like leaf, kitchen of the plants, and parts of a leaf, and function of a leaf, function of a leaf, and photosynthesis, and last, how do plants use food? How do plants use food? Okay, this is your recapitulation. ये हमने किया है इस चैप्टर में, लीफ, किचन ऑफ द प्लांट, बिकॉज दे मेक फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स, पार्ट्स ऑफ अ लीफ लाइक veins and stomata, and flat surface is known as leaf blade. Function of a leaf, how do leaf make the food for the plants, and photosynthesis process which plants make, green plants make their food with the help of oxygen, with the help of carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water and sunlight. And in the last we learned how do plants use food, उस food को कैसे plants use करते हैं, right? So related exercise of this topic I'll send in your worksheet, so complete this work in your science notebook. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.